Alright, so I'm gonna do a video on how to clean black wheels. Well, not how to clean them. You see, it seemed like the customer had applied some product to it that had kind of leave them kind of dull, and it's got this real faded out look. So I've figured out this little procedure that I usually, do to bring it back, make it look better, better than what it is and what it looks like. So I'm gonna start out by polishing it. Put some polish on my drill brush, rub it in. I'm gonna do the outer bars. Get it all the way around there. Inside the valve. Top. And that's just to like take the white stuff off and kind of bring it back to life. Now you're going with your microfiber towel. Just kind of clean it up. The last process we're going to put a coat of wax on it, and that really let the black starts, shining through. Go ahead and wipe it down. Down real good. Yeah. Yep. Looks a little bit better already. Got geese is flying by, or ducks, whatever they hit. Alright, so got most of it off, so now you go ahead and apply your wax to it. Wax is what's gonna let it start, really coming alive. Get it all inside them little pieces. Inside there. Inside there. That's pretty good. Okay, and now you get another microfiber and mop it up and wipe it off. See that? There it goes. There it goes right there. Looks 100% better than what it was. A lot better. So all it was just compound or polish. Make sure the wheels are clean first. I had already cleaned these wheels. You know, clean them real good. Get as much of the grime off of it, brake dust off of it as you can. And then you dry it, polish it out, or compound it. And you could compound it then polish it. You know, it just depends on what you're going for. With these, I just want to bring them back to where, you know, they looks better. And afterwards, you apply your wax to it. Yep, and that is it. If I have to go back over it one more time, I will. You know, depending on how it looks when I get done. That's basically the procedure of it. Looks so much better. Yeah.